Hindi beginner level reading practice. Rhyming two-letter words. Let's look at the first word. N plus L makes null. Note that it is not nuller, it's null. It means tap. Let's look at similar rhyming words. Chal, which means to walk. Tal, which means to fry. Pal, which means moment. Similarly, dha plus ka makes dhak, which means to close. Similar sounding words are pak, which means cook. Tak, which means till. Thak, which means tired. Ra plus ta makes rat. It means to memorize. Jhat, quickly. Ghat, reduce. Tat, river bank. A plus ba makes ab, which means now. Jab refers to when. Tab, then. Sab, everyone. Ka plus ra makes kar, which means to do. Par, on. Sar, head. Dar, fear. Ta plus na makes tan, which means body. Man, heart. Dhan, money. One, jungle. For a structured YouTube Hindi learning course for beginner level, subscribe now.